Hey folks, this is Bennett Sullivan with Tunefox. In this tutorial, you're going to learn how to use the backing tracks. So let's choose a song. I'm just going to choose Cripple Creek, and I'll go to the backup version. Okay, so now that we're in this version, we can see all the tools on the bottom bar. So we have this toolbar down here, and what we're going to do is we're going to get a setting. So it's in the bottom right corner. Click on settings, and then you have your volume settings. You can also change the size of the tablature, but I like to keep it at 1 because it's nice and small. And we can change our metronome volume, so we can turn that down. We can turn our band up, and we can mix our instrument down. So this works for all instruments, not just banjo. You can turn it up, or you can turn it all the way down so you can just play with the backing tracks. Then you push Apply Changes, and you're playing with the backing tracks. You can see how the notes are still highlighted as if the banjo is playing them, but the backing tracks are the only thing that is playing. If you want to loop the backing tracks, you can go down here and you can click Play Looped, Play Once, Play with Count In, Loop with Count In. So this will do the entire song for whatever one you choose, and then you can go inside the song and actually select specific parts of the song to loop as well. So this would loop the A section for Cripple Creek, for example. Or you could just do the first two measures or the first measure. So I hope this helps. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section below and stay tuned for the next tutorial.